Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your trusted source for language exploration and vocabulary enhancement. Today, we're diving into the word intelligent. So, what does intelligent mean in English? At its core, intelligent describes someone or something possessing a high level of mental ability or understanding. It often refers to the capacity for learning, reasoning, and problem solving. According to various dictionaries, intelligent is synonymous with terms like smart, bright, clever, and quick-witted. But why stop at just a few synonyms? Let's dive deeper into a broader spectrum of words that convey intelligence. Words like astute, perceptive, ingenious, and wise all highlight different facets of intelligence. For instance, astute emphasizes sharpness in practical matters, while ingenious points to creativity and inventiveness. That wraps up our exploration of the word intelligent. Remember, expanding your vocabulary helps you express yourself more precisely and effectively. Stay tuned for more linguistic insights right here on Thesaurus Thrive.